Start our class with welcome song. Come on, start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. वेलकम वेलकम वंस अगेन बच्चों. अयाना, आप छुट्टी पर थे तो आप भूल गए कैसे बैठना है हमें क्लास में. हाँ, हाउ टू सिट इन द क्लास. अयाना, फोल्ड योर लेग्स, सिट प्रॉपरली. ऑल राइट, चलो बच्चों, नाउ विल सिंग गॉड्स लव टुगेदर. आई एम लुकिंग एट एवरीवन, यू ऑल हैव टू सिंग अलोंग विथ मी. स्टार्ट करें. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right, अब क्या करेंगे हम? What we are going to do now? Stand up everyone for national anthem. Jaldi, fast. अनायशा, अनायशा आप इंक्लूड नहीं होते हो क्लास में, खड़े हो जाओ. Now everyone, how to stand in national anthem? Straight, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now no one is going to move. Start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जया है भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे. जय हिंद. ओके, अब बैठना नहीं है बिकॉज वी हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइजेस. अरे आप रोज भूल जाते हो. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स एंड क्लैप. स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स एंड क्लैप. क्लैप, 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 क्लैप. प्रबलीन करो बच्चा. नाउ विगिल योर फिंगर्स. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Fast, fast. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपकी कमर पे रखो and start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Very good. Now move your waist. Come on, move your waist. Yeah, move your waist. Come on, move your waist. Okay, now everyone raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Come on. Again. Raise your hands higher. And bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Chalo, again everyone. Raise your hands higher. And bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Okay. Now, show your thumbs. Keep it on your shoulders. Now you have to move your hands forward. In forward direction you have to move. Come on. Forward. Forward. Now backward. 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 Now everyone, try to balance in your one leg. Chalo, fold your one leg. Fold your one leg. And try to balance. ऐसे हाथ करो फिर बैलेंस होगा आपसे इजीली. Try to balance. Try to balance on one leg. करो करो करो. It's not too difficult. आप करोगे तो हो जाएगा. All right. Chalo, now at last run. Run everyone. Run. Run. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fast. 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 Devet. Okay, बच्चों. Now sit down. Very good. अब हम में बहुत सारी एनर्जी आ गई है. क्या आ गई है? एनर्जी है ना. अब हम अच्छे से पढ़ाई करेंगे. नाउ अब हम अटेंटिव रहेंगे, है ना. ऑल राइट, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल टॉक अबाउट द डे एंड द डेट. सो टुडे द डेट इज 25 October 2021. 25 October 2021. And Ayana, kindly sit properly, Ayana. Sit properly. How you are sitting? Fold your legs, Ayana. Bas. Okay. And the date is 25 October 2021. And the day is, आज कौन सा डे है? Yesterday was Sunday, कल Sunday था. तो today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay. अच्छा बच्चों, one more thing. Who has written our national anthem? हमारा national anthem किसने लिखा है? मैम आपको बताते हैं ना हर बार. Rabindranath Tagore. Who has written national anthem? Aksha. यश को पता है? Unmute.
मॉर्निंग बोलो.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून. गुड आफ्टरनून.
Good afternoon.
It's okay. चलो. Yes, Yash. Who has written national anthem?
Abhinav Tagore.
Very good.
रविंद्र.
Okay. Rabindranath Tagore. All right. Chalo bachcho. Now let's talk about the weekdays. So how many days are there in a week? जल्दी देखते कौन सबसे पहले फिंगर दिखाता है. Yes, Drisha. Good. Mitansh, good. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Or Sunday is a holiday. Yesterday was Sunday, कल Sunday था तो हमारा holiday था ना, है ना? Yes. चलो now tell me how many months are there in a year? एक ईयर में कितने months होते हैं? 12 months. Yes, we can't count on the fingers as we are having only 10 fingers and the months are 12. Chalo, let's say it together. January, come on, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right. Chalo. Now, before starting our work, we'll see the English rhyme first. So everyone stand up for the English rhyme. Chalo. Chalo. Now, Drishya, you tell me what is the title of our English rhyme?
He little monkey.
Very good. The title of our English rhyme is Three Little Monkeys. Chalo, start kare. Let's start. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. Come on. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and banged his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Now how many monkeys? Now two little monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and banged his head. One fell down, and Aisha, and banged his head. Mama called the doctor, and doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Now, how many monkeys left? How many monkeys? Only one. Now, one little monkey jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and banged his head. Anaisha, what you are doing, Anaisha? One fell down and banged his head. Mama called the doctor, and doctor says, put those monkeys straight to the bed. All right, okay. Chalo, we'll do it one more time. अब सबको करना है, especially you, Anaisha. Chalo, let's start. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. Laksh, mothers, please kindly ask them to stand. Laksh, खड़े हो जाओ. Start. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and banged his head. Mama called the doctor, and doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Now two little monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and banged his head. Mama called the doctor, and doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Now how many monkeys left? Only one. So one little monkey jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and banged his head. Mama called the doctor, and doctor says, put those monkeys straight to the bed. Okay, chalo bachcho, now बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit. Chalo. Now get your maths copy first. We have to write what comes before. Get your maths copy. And write down, bacho, today's date, 25/10/2021. As October is the 21, as October is the 10th month of a year, so we have written 10 here instead of October. So you know how to write down the date. So write down the date, 25 October 2021. And if needed, write down the heading. Mothers, you write down the heading. What comes before? If you don't have the set copies with you. Acha, one more thing. Pay attention. Mothers, in their maths copy, I think one page is remaining of reverse counting. Isn't it? 20 to 11. है ना? So you do, you ask your child do that page in holiday homework. ठीक है? All right. As a practice you can use. Holiday homework में भी ना हो अगर तो for practice जब भी आपको लगे practice का time है हमारे पास तो give that page to them. Okay. The remaining reverse counting page give them for practice. All right. Chalo. So write down the heading. What comes before? Shall we start? Chalo, let's start. The first one is very simple. Five. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. So what comes before 5? 4. 4 comes before 5. In this way, आपको reverse counting बोलनी है. You have to say the reverse counting. Then it's become easy for you to write down the before numbers. It become easy for you. रश नहीं करना है आपको जल्दी नहीं करना आराम से अच्छी राइटिंग में लिखिए यू हैव टू राइट इन नीट एंड गुड हैंड राइटिंग ओके नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन अरे इट्स तो सिंपलर वन ये तो आप ऐसे ही कर लोगे चलो से द रिवर्स काउंटिंग 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1 so what comes before 2 number 1 comes before number 2 David, switch on the camera. David, switch on the camera. All right, now the next 6. So say the reverse counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and after 6, what comes after 6 in reverse counting? Number 5. Number 5 comes before number 6. So say the reverse counting and write down the before numbers. Before matlab pehle. Lokendra, are you writing or what you are doing? You tell me. चलो next one is 8. So say the reverse counting. 10, 9, 8, and what comes before 8? 7. Number 7 comes before 8. Number 8. Seven comes before number 8. Now, next one is 1, 0, 10. So start reverse counting from 10. 1, 0, 10 and क्या आएगा 10 के बाद रिवर्स काउंटिंग में 1, 0, 10 and 9. So number 9 comes before number 10. Ridhan, beta switch on the camera. Ridhan. Okay, bachcho, so as I don't have space here, so I'm writing it there. Now, 1, 3, 13. तो अब हमें 20 से बोलनी पड़ेगी रिवर्स काउंटिंग, है ना? चलो विल से इट टुगेदर, कम ऑन साथ में बोलो. 2, 0, 20, 1, 9, 19, 1, 8, 18, 1, 7, 17, 1, 6, 16, 1, 5, 15, 1, 4, 14, then 1, 3, 13, and 1, 3, 13 के पहले बिफोर क्या आएगा 1, 2, 12. Then next one is 1, 7, 17. So say the reverse counting. 2, 0, 20, 1, 9, 19, 1, 8, 18, then 1, 7, 17, and before 1, 7, 17, 1, 6, 16. So what comes before 1, 7, 17? Number 1, 6, 16 comes before 1, 7, 17. And the last one is 1, 9, 19. Okay. So come on, say the reverse counting. 2, 0, 20, 1, 9, 19, and अब क्या आएगा 1, 8, 18. What comes before 1, 9, 19? 1, 8, 18. So kids, these are before numbers. You have to write what comes before the given number. जो numbers दे रखे हैं उनके पहले क्या आएगा? For that you have to say the reverse counting. ठीक है?